wait. Don't drink plain water after 50 until you hear this. Most people think staying hydrated just means drinking lots of water, but after 50, your body doesn't absorb and use water the same way it used to. You can be drinking plenty and still feel tired, cold, or have poor circulation. That's because plain water alone can actually flush out essential minerals that your aging cells desperately need to move oxygen and nutrients through your bloodstream. If you want stronger blood flow, better energy, and even healthier looking skin, you have to add one simple mineral to your water: magnesium. When you cross the age of 50, your body changes in ways that make hydration more complicated than it used to be. You might still be drinking the same amount of water as before, yet feeling more tired, sluggish, or even lightheaded at times. That's because plain water doesn't always stay where it's needed. It passes through your system quickly, taking important minerals with it. As your metabolism slows and your cells lose some of their ability to retain and use water efficiently, simply drinking more isn't enough to stay truly hydrated. It's like pouring water into a bucket with small holes. Most of it escapes before it can do any real good. Your heart muscles and brain rely on water that's balanced with electrolytes and minerals to function properly. But after 50, the body starts losing that natural balance. This can lead to weaker blood circulation, stiffer joints, and even dry skin because water without minerals doesn't get absorbed into tissues effectively. Many people also experience cramps, fatigue, or low energy and blame aging, when in reality it's poor hydration quality. Plain water can actually dilute your body's natural electrolyte levels, especially if you drink a lot throughout the day without replacing what's lost through sweat or urine. That's why older adults often feel dehydrated even after drinking several glasses. To keep your body performing at its best, you need hydration that nourishes at the cellular level, water enriched with the right minerals to help your heart pump efficiently and your blood carry oxygen smoothly. After 50, hydration isn't about how much you drink. It's about what's in what you drink. Magnesium plays a powerful role in keeping your blood flowing smoothly and your heart functioning efficiently, especially after 50. As the body ages, arteries and veins can become stiffer, making it harder for blood to move freely. This reduced flexibility means your heart has to work harder to push oxygen and nutrients through the body, which can lead to fatigue, cold hands and feet, and slower recovery after physical activity. Magnesium acts like nature's relaxant. It helps the muscles in your blood vessels loosen up, allowing them to expand and carry blood more easily. When your vessels are relaxed, blood pressure stabilizes, oxygen delivery improves, and every organ in your body gets the nourishment it needs. Without enough magnesium, the opposite happens. Your vessels tighten, circulation slows, and your cells are starved of oxygen. This mineral is also essential for energy production inside your cells, meaning it directly supports stamina, strength, and alertness. Many people don't realize that magnesium deficiency is incredibly common because modern diets, processed foods, and filtered water often strip it away. When you add magnesium to your water, you're not just hydrating, you're optimizing how that water is used by your body. You'll notice a difference in your energy levels, muscle performance, and even how quickly you recover from daily fatigue. It's a small change that can have a huge impact on your health, because blood flow determines how efficiently your body works from the inside out. By keeping your vessels flexible and your circulation strong, magnesium helps you maintain vitality, sharper focus, and a healthier heart, making it one of the most important minerals you can add to your daily hydration routine after 50. As the body ages, its ability to stay hydrated naturally begins to decline, even if you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. After 50, your body doesn't hold water as efficiently because muscle mass, which stores water, gradually decreases while fat tissue increases, and fat doesn't retain water the same way. This means less water is available to keep your organs, skin, and blood vessels functioning at their best. On top of that, your sense of thirst also weakens with age, so you might not even realize you're mildly dehydrated until you feel tired, dizzy, or have dry skin. The kidneys also become less efficient in balancing fluids and electrolytes, causing the body to lose more water through urine. Even your cells start to lose some of their ability to absorb and utilize water effectively, leading to sluggish blood flow and lower energy. When plain water moves through your system without essential minerals, it can pass right through you instead of hydrating your cells. This is why older adults often complain of feeling dehydrated even after drinking a lot of water. The solution isn't always to drink more, but to make hydration smarter by improving water absorption. Adding key minerals like magnesium and potassium helps water move into your cells and stay there longer, supporting better blood flow, brain function, and muscle activity. It also helps regulate body temperature, prevent cramps, and reduce fatigue. Understanding how aging changes your hydration needs can make a huge difference in your daily energy and overall health. When you combine proper hydration with the right minerals, your body performs better, your heart works more efficiently, and you feel more alive even as you age. Most people have no idea that they're walking around every day with a magnesium deficiency, especially after the age of 50. It's not because they aren't eating right or drinking enough water, but because modern diets and water sources have changed dramatically over the years. The vegetables and fruits grown today contain fewer minerals due to soil depletion, and the water that most people drink, whether it's bottled, filtered, or purified, has had those natural minerals stripped out for taste and safety. While that makes the water look cleaner, it also means it's missing the vital nutrients your body depends on for circulation, muscle health, and energy. Magnesium is one of those minerals that quietly supports over 300 functions in your body, including keeping your blood vessels relaxed and your heart rhythm steady. When your magnesium levels drop, you might feel fatigued, experience muscle cramps, or notice your hands and feet often feel cold. These are small warning signs that your blood flow isn't as strong as it should be. Unfortunately, many people blame aging for these symptoms and never realize it's actually a mineral imbalance. As you age, your body also absorbs magnesium less efficiently from food, so even a balanced diet might not be enough. That's why adding magnesium back into your hydration routine makes such a noticeable difference. A pinch of magnesium powder or a small electrolyte mix can turn plain water into a mineral rich drink that actually nourishes your cells and restores healthy blood flow. Over time, this simple change can boost energy, support heart health, and even improve sleep quality, making magnesium one of the most overlooked yet powerful minerals for anyone over 50. Smart hydration isn't just about drinking more water. It's about making every sip work for your body, especially after 50. When you add magnesium or a quality electrolyte mix to your water, you're turning plain hydration into fuel that your cells can actually use. As you age, your body loses minerals more easily through sweat, urine, and even normal metabolism, but it doesn't replace them as quickly. This mineral imbalance slows down energy production, weakens muscles, and affects nerve signals. When you mix magnesium into your water, you help your muscles recover faster after physical activity or even a long day of movement, reducing cramps and stiffness. It also supports your nervous system, keeping your mood steady and your focus sharp. Magnesium helps your heart pump more efficiently and promotes smoother blood circulation, which means more oxygen reaches your tissues. At night, it helps your body relax by regulating melatonin and calming the nervous system, leading to deeper, more restorative sleep. The beauty of smart hydration is that it works silently in the background, improving how your body functions without you even realizing it at first. Within a few days, many people notice more stable energy throughout the day, instead of sudden drops or fatigue. Their skin looks healthier, their digestion improves, and their overall alertness returns. This simple shift in how you hydrate can bring a big difference to how youthful and energized you feel. By giving your body water that's rich in magnesium and electrolytes, you're supporting your cells, your heart, and your mind all at once, creating a steady sense of vitality that lasts long after you've finished your drink.